Ball lightning, a mysterious phenomenon that has captivated people for centuries. Some say it's just natural gases, while others suggest it's connected to UFOs or secret government experiments. But what is it really? Observed worldwide, especially in regions rich in natural gas deposits, ball lightning has left a lasting impact on culture and mythology. Despite the difficulty in predicting and recording this elusive glow, there are dedicated research groups and enthusiasts working tirelessly to monitor and document it. So, whether you're a skeptic or a believer, one thing's for sure: the enigmatic glow of ball lightning will keep inspiring us to seek answers and develop new theories for years to come.